Let's talk about abundance and wealth. This is where you receive the blessings, right? Pag nilagyan ng blessings yan, ano gagawin natin? Most people, since they are so greedy, so desperate, they do this. Pag tinikom mo yan, yes, you get the money. Yet you get the prize. But the price you pay for this is you can't receive anymore because you are closed. Nakatikom na yung palad mo eh. Pero pag bukas yan, you may seem to think, pwedeng matapon. That's the point. You let it overflow. When you let it overflow, you will be blessing the lives of other people. Pero tandaan mo, since nakabukas yung palad mo, bibigyan at bibigyan at bibigyan yan ng mas maraming blessings. Kasi yung palad mo laging bukas. The thoughts will send the signal and communicate what you want. But the emotions will draw the experience back to you. So the emotions will attract. So yung thoughts yung nagbibigay ng target, this is what I want. But the emotions will pull it back. That is why it's important that you have a target, you believe that you can, and you are acting as if nakuha mo na.